The truth about ADHD symptoms. Welcome to our video on ADHD symptoms. Today, we'll explore the signs that may indicate attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Stay tuned to learn more about this common condition. ADHD affects both children and adults, impacting their daily lives in various ways. Recognizing the symptoms early can make a significant difference in managing it effectively. One of the primary symptoms of ADHD is inattention. Individuals may find it difficult to focus on tasks, often making careless mistakes or overlooking details. Another common symptom is hyperactivity. People with ADHD may seem to be in constant motion, often fidgeting, tapping, or talking excessively, even in situations where it's inappropriate. Impulsivity is also a key symptom. This includes making hasty decisions without thinking about the consequences, interrupting others frequently, or having difficulty waiting for their turn. Children with ADHD might struggle to follow instructions or complete tasks. They may appear forgetful, losing items necessary for daily activities like schoolwork, toys, or books. In adults, ADHD symptoms can manifest as disorganization and difficulty managing time. They might frequently miss deadlines, appointments, or have trouble prioritizing tasks effectively. Emotional dysregulation is another aspect of ADHD. Individuals may experience mood swings, irritability, or become easily frustrated, impacting their relationships and overall well-being. Sleep problems are also common among those with ADHD. They may have difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling rested, which can exacerbate other symptoms. Social challenges can arise as well. People with ADHD might find it hard to form and maintain friendships due to their impulsive behavior or inattentiveness in conversations. It's important to note that not everyone with ADHD will experience all these symptoms. The intensity and combination can vary widely from person to person. If you suspect that you or a loved one might have ADHD, seeking professional help is crucial. Early diagnosis and tailored interventions can greatly improve quality of life. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and don't hesitate to reach out for support if needed. Together, we can better understand and manage ADHD. If you found it useful, subscribe to my channel, like, and comment.